And of course, hindi rin po magpapahuli ang isa rin sa mga playboy na principal na dito Sir Ian Tama. And of course, ang mga sanggulang bayan na narito po sa atin ngayon, SB member Justiniano Bino, ang dalawa pong retired district supervisors natin na nasa ating tipo ngayon, yung mga Christine Fernandez, one of my mentors in the Sangguniang Bayan. Hopefully next year magkasama po ulit tayo sa Sangguniang Bayan, Sir Piping Cunices. And ang mga guwapo at magaganda rin mga district heads. Isa rin ko nakalimutan ko sa playboy din po si Noel Cardenas. Sir, at mga magiging ng mga guro ngayon na sa atin ngayon, Barangay Captain Edmund Cruz, Sir Valderrama, Garanyaga Ballesteros to nasa Walman Mabutan. I'd like to welcome you all to this special occasion. Bittersweet, I'd say bittersweet kasi it is the retirement of our very own Ma'am Corinne. When I was asked when Sabado na magbigay ng words of welcome para sa okasyon ko, hindi na po ako nagdalawang isip. Alam ko, mahirap magsalita dito sa harap ng mga teachers dahil magagaling lahat magsalita kung mga nandito. It's hard to prepare a speech for them. Pero hindi na ako nagdalawang isip dahil it will be a distinct honor and privilege to speak before you.
Not how much,
but
how much have you done to surpass your own weaknesses? Not how much have you saved, but how much have you sacrificed? How much were you honored, but how much have you served? Beloved honoree, our kind-hearted and very competent school district supervisor, Dr. Silvino B. Cipriano Jr., sir. My fellow school administrators who are equally competent, most especially the host principal, the doctor in the making, Sir Rogelio Sabado, our Baptista president. Our beloved retirees, led by the two provisors, the ever beauteous Ma'am Pris Fernandez and the very gorgeous Sir Piping Torices. Committed mentors, dear pupils, the very active officers and members of the General PTA of this school, headed by Mrs. Lenita Farin, the supportive municipal and barangay officials who are with us this morning, and I would like to make a special mention of the following: our Sangguniang Bayan member, Justiniano Rubino, sir, our two very supportive and equally handsome barangay captains of this barangay, Honorable Rodilio Albano of Mabuttal East and Honorable Edmundo Cruz of Mabuttal West. Family members of our honoree, other respected guests, friends, ladies and gentlemen, Naranyang Aballesteros, Ken Nasaliwangwan, ang
It is my pleasure and honor of presenting the honoree, who is a very intelligent, very competent, and very dedicated, who contributed much in producing educated people in this part of the world. A perennial champion coach in academic competitions